Peloton Workout Programs 101, Peloton Workout Plan for Beginners. Peloton workout programs are collections of classes designed by instructors to help you reach a specific goal, such as improving your core strength, training for a marathon, or mastering a new skill. Some of the details of Peloton workout programs are: features, Peloton workout programs offer a variety of categories, such as cycling, running, strength, yoga, meditation, and more. Peloton workout programs provide a structured and progressive plan, with classes that vary in length, intensity, and style. Peloton workout programs allow you to track your progress and performance, with metrics such as heart rate, calories burned, distance, speed, and cadence. Peloton workout programs enable you to join a community of other users and instructors, and give or receive feedback, encouragement, and high fives. Cons: Peloton workout programs require a Peloton digital membership, which costs $12.99 per month, or an all-access membership, which costs $39 per month and includes access to the Peloton bike, tread, and other equipment. Peloton workout programs may not suit everyone's preferences, schedule, or fitness level, as they are preset and not customizable. Peloton workout programs may have limited availability or variety, depending on the demand and supply of the classes and instructors. Pro tips for using choose the workout program that best matches your goal, interest, and ability. Peloton offers programs for beginners, intermediate, and advanced users, as well as programs for specific events or challenges. Follow the workout program as closely as possible, and try not to skip or swap classes. The programs are designed to help you achieve optimal results and avoid overtraining or injury. Use the tools and features offered by Peloton to enhance your workout experience. You can use the Peloton app, the Peloton website, or the Peloton equipment to access the classes, view your metrics, and interact with the community.